Hello, you're watching the Skooter Blog channel, and today I'm going to unbox another package from Fosmon. So let's see what we got here. So here we have a Fosmon outdoor wireless remote control outlet. Package contents: one remote outlet, one remote receiver, and one C-10683 lithium battery. So this outdoor wireless remote control outlet is used to remotely turn on and off decorative holiday lighting, lamps, and electronic devices wirelessly with a single button. It has a maximum range of 30 meters and it's for both indoor and outdoor use, and it works with 125 volts outlets to a maximum of 15 amperes. So let's take a look at it. So here is the outlet. So you have to plug it to a socket, to a outlet, power outlet, and then you have to connect the device that you want to control in here. It is heavy, it seems well built. Here is the remote control. It has an opening here to put the battery. The battery is a CR2032. Let's put it here. Yes, the button is working because the LED is turning on. We also have here the warranty, free lifetime warranty, and the instruction manual. It's not waterproof. You can't submerge it or place in an area that's susceptible to flooding or standing water. But you can use it outdoors. You just have to be sure to plug it into a GRFCI approved outlet and hang it with outlet facing down. This will prevent water from penetrating the outlet. Yeah, you can use it on the outside. You can use it outdoor, but you have to keep it this way so the water won't enter here on the outlet. So with the Christmas coming, I think these things would be really nice to, it would be really useful to turn on and off the Christmas lights, because they usually do not include a power button, on-off button, and then you have to turn it on and off by unplugging it from the outlet, which is kind of annoying. So I think it will be really useful on the Christmas season. But I have another use for it. I'll show you. So that's my air humidifier. It doesn't have a remote control. So anytime I want to turn it on or to turn it off, I have to go there and manually push this button. But with the remote, the outlet, the remote control outlet, I can turn it on simply by pressing this button. And it's working, as you can see here. At the touch of the button, I can just turn it off. Not working anymore. On. And off. So I don't have to get up off my bed to turn it on or to turn it off. So the good thing is that this device works with pretty much anything that is electrical. You can use it with Christmas lights, you can use it with water fountains, and anything that does not have an on-off button, or anything that has an on-off button but it's not convenient to go there and turn it on and turn it off all the time. So anything that has a on-off button that is kind of out of reach, you can use this device to make things simple. At my office I have a water fountain, and I'm intending to use it there because my water fountain doesn't have an on-off switch, and the wall outlet is kind of out of reach. It's behind a piece of furniture, so it's kind of difficult to plug it on and off, to turn it on and off all the time. So I will use this device to make the things easier at my office. I will show you how it works there. So this is my water fountain. Originally it does not have a on-off switch, but now it does. So here you have the specification, some specification of this device. So model number RCS5U. So it's a wireless remotely operated switch. The input is 125 volts, 60 Hz, and it outputs same voltage and same frequency. Regarding the current, it works with up to 15 amperes resistive or 15 amperes for general purpose, and 10 amperes, which is 1250 watts for tungsten lights. So it's rainproof, like I said, and this is the Fosmon wireless remote outlet. If you like this product, you can find the link to buy it in the description of this video. I really like it, so thank you for watching.